Need hydro jetting services in Sherwood Park? Kingstree Plumbing is here to clear tough clogs and keep your drains flowing smoothly. Using high-pressure water jets, our hydro jetting services remove grease, roots and debris, restoring your plumbing system without harmful chemicals. Whether you're dealing with slow drains, recurring blockages, or a major backup, we've got the solution. In Sherwood Park, older pipes and tree root intrusions can cause serious drainage issues. That's why our local experts provide fast, reliable, and eco-friendly hydro jetting tailored to your needs. With years of experience and advanced technology, Kingstree Plumbing ensures a deep, long-lasting clean, helping you avoid costly repairs down the road. Want to see the difference professional hydro jetting can make? Keep watching to learn more, or contact Kingstree Plumbing today to schedule your service.